warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Naya Raihana R R. My student number is 2521 So in this video, I would like to share my listening journey. The topic I listened to are mostly about educational. About the video is about brain, mental health, and also human behavior. These materials or this video is help me to understand how our brain works and also how it affects in our daily life. So, the human brain plays an important role in controlling our thoughts, emotion, and also behavior. So, in this my listening activities, I explore several educational videos. It's about mental health and how works the brain, and including how the brain works, and also what is depression is, and the last about why people experience bored on these topics is influence us to how understand the brain works in our daily life. So I will presentation this material I gained it from listening videos, and I will share my knowledge about these materials. The first video I listened is about how your brain works by Dr. Minox. So the video is about the brain is the control center of the human body. It's responsible for many important activities such as thinking and also learning, breathing, emotions, and movement. To perform this function, the brain is made up of several important parts, each with its in our role. The largest part of the brain is the cerebrum, which is makes up about 85% of the brain. It is responsible for thinking, learning, and controlling muscle movement. And also another important part is cerebellum, which helps maintain balance and coordinate body movement. So the brainstem, which is connected to the spinal cord, controls automatically body functions such as breathing, heart rate, and digestion. In addition, there is the amygdala, small part of the brain that plays an important role in controlling our emotions. What is depression from TED talk? So the video talks about depression is a serious mental health disorder and one of the leading causes of disability worldwide. So depression is different from a normal sadness because it's more longer and can significantly affect a person a daily life. So we can see that the people with depression may had experienced several symptoms such as low at the mood and also loss of interest in activities, changes in appetite, sleep problems, low energy, poor concentration, and feelings of guilty or worthlessness. So it might be the person have depression is have feeling like he is doesn't worth to born in this world. So in addition, depression is caused by a combination of genetics and also environmental factors. It is also related to changes in brain chemicals called neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, which play an important role in regulating mood. This video is talk about why we get bored. So bored or boredom is uncomfortable feeling that occurs when someone wants to do something meaningful but can't find anything interesting to engage. So it's just not some feeling but also related to brain activities. So during bored is the prefrontal cortex struggles to stay focused, and also the attention network becomes less active and the default mode networks become more active, like which is causes the mind to wander or daydream. But boredom is not always negative side. It can be useful because it encourage people to look for something new or more meaningful activities like such new hobby. It can also help people change their goals, think differently, and boost creativity by giving new idea for the brain. But boredom can also have a negative impacts. it may affect to our motivation and daily activities and leading to problems such as a poor academic performance, mental health challenges, and over on distraction like from phone. My favorite listening material is about why do we get bored. So this video explained that boredom is not just negative feeling, but signal from our brain that we need something more meaningful and insightful or interesting. So it show how our brain's activity changes we when we feel bored, especially when our minds start to wander. So I like this video because it changed my perspective about boredom. I used to think boredom was bad feeling, but now I understand that it can actually help us become more creative and explore new things. So the from this video, the main message is boredom can be both positive and negative, depending how we respond to it. And the next is vocabulary spotlight. So I had many new vocabulary from previous video, especially from boredom. So I take two words vocabulary. The first is impulse. The meaning is a sudden, the strong, the argue to do something without thinking carefully. So example, I bought snack on impulse, even though I wasn't hungry. The next vocabulary is boredom. For me, this is new vocabulary. Why? Because I heard words boredom as bored. So this is for the first time I heard the word boredom. So this is for me a new vocabulary, but it might be a same meaning. So the boredom is a feeling of being interested or having nothing to do. Example, like I feel boredom when I don't have not anything interest to do. And this is my poster. My poster has main message is that our brain control our thoughts and emotion from happiness to depression and boredom. Every feeling is natural and helps us grow. I choose this message because it represents what I learned from my listening materials, especially about how important it is to understand our emotion and mental health. So, reflection for me from this listening journey, I learned that our brain plays an important role in controlling our thoughts, emotion, and behavior. And also, I learned that depression is a serious conditional that need attention, and also boredom can actually be useful for creative activity. So from this material help me for understand myself to be better, especially how I feel and react in different situations. That's all for me. Sorry if I had many mistakes. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.